Running an Etsy shop can be exciting. You create products, make sales, and build your business. But did you know other sellers can see everything you have sold? Yes, they can. This is why hiding your sold listing is so important. Let me share what I learned about protecting your Etsy shop from copycats. You should understand that your sold listing tell a story. They show which item sells best and how often you make sales. This information is gold for your competitors. They can click on your total sales number and see exactly what you sold. They can even track how many people add your items to their shopping carts. Think of your Etsy shop like a recipe book. If you leave it open, anyone can copy your best recipes. It is normal that other sellers watch successful shops closely. They look at sold listing every day to find out which items make the most money. Then they make similar items to compete with you. Hiding your sold listings puts up a fence around your shop. It keeps your success private and makes it harder for others to copy you. This simple change can protect your business and your creative ideas. So, how can you hide your sold listings? All you need to do is to go to your shop settings. Here, look for options and scroll down to the bottom. Now, find a section called Sold Listings. Here, change it from Show Them to Hide Them. Once done, save the changes. Of course, if your competitors use a special software, they can easily scan your shop and find selling listings. And you can do nothing about it. Keep in mind that successful shops attract copycats. This is just part of a business. But you can still make smart choices to protect your work. At least you can make it harder. Hiding your sold listing is like putting a lock on your door. You still welcome customers, but you keep your business secret safe. So, I hope this video helps you protect your Etsy shop better. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your business journey. And if you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials about Etsy.